You've just wrapped up a successful project, invoiced your client in Xero, and now you're eagerly awaiting that sweet cash flow. But how long does it actually take to get paid through Xero? That's the burning question we're tackling today. We'll dive deep into the factors that influence payment speed, explore the different payment options available within Xero, and discuss some strategies to get paid faster. So, grab your favorite beverage and let's get started. Understanding Xero's role in the payment process. Now, it's crucial to understand that Xero itself doesn't directly pay you. It's essentially an accounting software that streamlines the invoicing process. Xero integrates with various payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, GoCardless, and more. These gateways facilitate the actual transfer of funds from your client to your bank account. Think of Xero as the conductor of an orchestra. It provides the score, manages the instruments, payment gateways, and ensures a smooth and efficient performance, payment processing. But it's the individual musicians, payment gateways, that actually play the music and deliver the final result. Factors influencing payment speed. Several factors can significantly impact how quickly you receive payments through Xero. Client payment method, bank transfers. These usually take the longest, often 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks involved. Credit cards, generally the fastest, with most transactions processed within 1 to 2 business days. Some credit card companies may take slightly longer. Debit cards, similar to credit cards, typically processed quickly, often within 1 business day. Online bank transfers can be faster than traditional bank transfers, often processed within 1 business day. EFTPOS, electronic funds transfer at point of sale, usually processed immediately. Client's bank and location. International transactions can take longer due to cross-border processing delays. Some banks have faster processing times than others. Payment gateway. Each gateway has its own processing speed and potential delays. Weekend and holidays. Payments initiated on weekends or holidays may experience delays. Payment processing errors. Incorrect bank details, insufficient funds, or declined transactions can cause delays. Your bank's processing speed. How quickly your bank receives and processes funds can also impact your overall payment time. Xero payment options. Xero offers several payment options to suit different business needs. Online invoices with payment links. You can easily create invoices with embedded payment links. Clients simply click the link to pay online using their preferred method. Credit card processing. Xero integrates with various credit card processors, allowing you to accept payments directly within the platform. Bank feeds. Xero automatically imports bank transactions, giving you a real-time view of your cash flow. Automated payments. Set up recurring invoices and automated payments for regular clients to streamline the process. GoCardless. For recurring payments, GoCardless enables you to collect direct debits from your clients, providing a predictable cash flow. Strategies to get paid faster. Here are some tips to speed up the payment process. Clear and concise invoices. Ensure your invoices are easy to understand and contain all the necessary information, including clear payment instructions. Send invoices promptly. Issue invoices immediately after completing work to minimize late payments. Consider setting up automated invoicing for recurring services. Offer early payment discounts. Incentivize clients to pay early by offering a small discount for prompt payment. Chase overdue payments promptly. Send friendly reminders to clients with overdue payments. Consider setting up automated reminders for overdue invoices. Choose the right payment gateway. Select a payment gateway with fast processing times and competitive fees. Provide excellent customer service. Build strong relationships with your clients and address any payment issues promptly. Offer multiple payment options. Give your clients flexibility by offering various payment methods. Monitoring your payments. Xero provides various tools to monitor your payments. Sales overview. Track your sales performance, including outstanding invoices and payments received. Bank reconciliation. Reconcile your bank statements with Xero to ensure accurate financial records. Reports. Generate customized reports to analyze your cash flow and identify any payment trends. Troubleshooting payment issues. If you encounter any payment issues, here's how to troubleshoot. Check payment gateway status. Ensure the payment gateway is operational and not experiencing any outages. Verify client information. Confirm that the client's payment information is correct. Contact your bank. If funds are not received within the expected timeframe, contact your bank to investigate any potential delays. Contact the payment gateway. If you suspect an issue with the payment gateway, contact their customer support for assistance. The time it takes to get paid through Xero can vary depending on several factors, including the client's payment method, the chosen payment gateway, and the efficiency of the banking system. By understanding these factors and implementing the strategies discussed, you can significantly improve your cash flow and minimize payment delays. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.